Hello guys and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about this Node Meta guys. But before that, let me remind you, this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, for today's video, we are going to talk about the DBE program. But before that, let me tour you here at the Node Meta website guys. It has a 3 million user, 50k plus NFTs and 10 million plus volume guys. The digital revolutionized marketplace is coming soon also here at the Node Meta. You can connect your wallet here, your MetaMask wallet. Okay. Node Meta proudly participate in the global blockchain show 2025 in Abu Dhabi guys. So this is the video if you want to learn more about the Node Meta guys. Also, cutting-edge technology, discover our premium solution designed to elevate your digital experience with innovation and performance. Your gateway to decentralized rewards, transform your smartphone into a powerful node in our global earn reward participation in governance and unlocks exclusive benefits guys. You will have daily rewards, node to millionaire, decentralized rewards, mining meets ownership, and people first reward guys. It has a 100k plus people rewarded, over 50k plus active modes right now, or plus 25% and growing guys. Okay, so token reserve strategy power to the community. In our decentralized vision, 100% of the reserve tokens are committed to real purposes. So 50% mining rewards, 40% permanently burn, reducing total supply and increasing token scarcity over time. 10% on marketing and adoptions. Okay, so 10-year halving models, yearly token distribution plan. So this is the current roadmap right now, guys. Okay, so built for long-term sustainability, encourage early adoption and rewards loyalty, prevents oversupply through controlled emission, aligns perfectly with real-world utility, guys. Okay, so let's go and connect our wallet here. Just connect your wallet, create an account. You can use Wallet Connect, MetaMask, OneInch Wallet, Binance, Ledger, or any wallet you have, guys. So after that, you will see your node right here. Okay, so connect your MetaMask like what I'm doing guys. Okay, so this is my account guys. Okay, verifying wallet. You need an authentication here using your phone and also password by creating an account guys. Okay, so this is my account and I need the authenticator. Okay, so after filling up your authenticator, just click login here. Okay, so verifying your access. Now you will have your dashboard right here. Make sure that you have NTE tokens here guys. You can also buy or node the Meta Plus and Elite node here at the your dashboard guys. Okay, so this is the NTE. Right now I have a 138,000 or 126 dollar guys, okay, on BSC network. So the first time in the Web3 economy of decentralized blockchain, Node Meta launches new trends that 20% tokens will generate by purchasing NTE tokens daily basis guys. Okay, this is the first time in the blockchain industry that anyone can get 20% extra tokens just for buying NTE every day or every month guys. This is the limited option for a certain time. 3 DBE programs are available, the 75 to 50 and then the 100 guys. Okay, so 50k selling price right now, impact a 10 times, so 5.55 M dollar selling at 110 times. Okay, price will impact practically. So no one decentralized system in the world that they will declare their price will up 100 times. Only Node Meta guys. So the blockchain will confirm authentically that will happen. Okay, the 110 times for selling a 55 M dollars. LBank CEX exchange already collaborate with Node Meta guys. They will list NTE token soon. Okay guys, so this is the information about the NTE on LBank guys. NTE will be listed on LBank soon. So please refer to the further announcement for more details, guys. Okay, so this is the website to confirm, guys. This is the Node, the Meta, blockchain browser, and white paper, guys. So this is the LBank information about the Node Meta, guys. So Web3 deep-in protocol that allows user to run permissionless nodes, validate real-world data, and earn ongoing rewards powered by NTE utility token. The network supports staking node incentives and scalable on-chain services for dApps, lot, and AI use cases, guys. Okay? So right now, let's buy this 75, okay, 15-day program, guys. Okay, so view details and join. Okay, so the program requirements: daily purchase required, minimum 50, okay, day, zero tolerance policy, flexible trading, balance, and maintenance, guys. So the program overview has a day of duration 15, 10% total bonus, 50 daily minimum reward, and 75 joining fee, guys. Okay, and the program capacity right now is 700 left, guys. Earning calculator also available. If you are interested, just click I confirm here, guys. Okay, and then join the program. Make sure that you have an 75 NTE worth right now, guys. Okay, click here. By joining fee 75 NTE, daily requirements. Okay, bonus 10% after completing all 15 days, and critical missing 1 day disqualification. Only 1 DB program at a time. So you don't want to miss this, guys, because you will be disqualified every day. So enter your password here. Okay, so join program. Proceed with join. Make sure you have gas fee, guys, on your MetaMask wallet. So right now, okay, so confirm. Make sure you have BNB gas fee for your transaction here at the Node Meta, guys. Okay, so close extension. So transaction success. So processing join on server, creating attendance, and processing. Okay, so let's wait, guys. Okay, so program join successful. Welcome to 15 days program. Your DBE program journey begins. Okay, so important next steps: start your daily purchase from tomorrow. So minimum $50 daily purchase required. Don't miss a single day to earn your bonus. Okay, so track your progress in the dashboard. So if you miss out this 50, you will disqualified for the bonus, guys. So critical reminder: missing every 1 day purchase will result in automatic disqualification for the program, guys. Okay, so okay, and already participating. Okay, okay, guys, so every day we need to buy this daily minimum $50, guys. Okay, so already participating. So let's check on the DBE membership here. Okay, so total programs 1 active, completed. Okay, so you will see your program actively here, guys. So potential earning is 825. So daily minimum is 50. Okay, guys, so after this, tomorrow we need to get this 50, guys. Okay, we need to buy it, guys. So already participating right now. So that's it. This is the DBE program, guys. Okay, so if you want to learn more, just comment down below, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends, guys. You can also see your referral here, okay, referral program. Okay, guys, so you will have level 5, 10, 20s, 50 levels, and all levels if you invite your friends or share your referral code to them, guys. Okay, so referral bonuses, referral program. Okay, so let's see the referral bonuses. Okay, so referral bonuses here. Okay, guys, they also have the support center here at the Node Meta, guys. So again, you can also choose different DBE. This is just for example, guys. So I tried the 75. You can choose 250 or a 100, guys, DBE program. Okay, so you can view details here. So miss 1 day, automatic disqualification of the program. No exception, no second chances. Daily minimum purchase required every single day. So daily purchase of this one is minimum 200. So daily, guys, this is daily. You need daily purchase for this program. And this one, so daily minimum every day. So keep that in mind, guys. Okay? So this is the transaction. You will see here, guys. Settings and the back button, guys. So meta purchase member, proof of stake, TBM membership. Okay? Some nodes also available here. So this is the nodes, guys. It price is 1,500 right now. Okay? Staking program, system problem reports, voting, games, on process, blockchain, crypto debit card, and AI powered trading bots, guys. So again, this is Crypto Hussein, guys. Bye bye.